Hi, hello guys. Ngayon naman gagawa tayo ng French toast. Ipakita ko muna sa inyo ang mga kailangan natin. Ito, egg, salt, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and butter. Okay. So, pakikita ko naman sa inyo kung by step by step. Okay. Okay. Yan. Lagyan natin ng konting cinnamon, a piece of salt, konting vanilla, and then you can go like this. And then okay here, and then you can turn on the pan. And then lalagyan natin ng vanilla. Okay guys, habang tinutunaw ko to, huwag niyo kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and share. Marami pa akong isi-share sa inyo na iba't ibang mga luto. Bago pa lang ako kaya, please. Okay. You can put bread like this, like that, and then you can put in a pan, like that. And then you can see how it works. Now it's done. And then turn off. And you can put like this. And then on the top, you still just put a pinch of cinnamon, so more tastes good. And you can use the like this. And then put. And then we're gonna taste it now. We'll see how it tastes. You see how it's easy to make it. It's good for breakfast or lunch. And even supper too. Mmm. That's so good. One more. Mmm. So good, guys. So, okay? Don't forget to share, subscribe, and share. Okay, guys? Thank you so much. Bye-bye.